Good morning, guys. We are ready. Aiden is ready here. He's super excited to. Where are we going?
We're going to animals.
Animals, yeah.
Animals not like it.
Yeah, animal says that we have to finish breakfast and come.
Breakfast.
Yes, what are you eating for breakfast?
I eat cereal.
Yeah, I eat cereals. Good job. So I'm just feeding him his breakfast. We are all gonna have a little bit of cereals. It's 8 a.m. right now, so we leave in an hour. You can eat it? You can eat it by yourself?
Okay.
But baby, this has milk and we don't want the clothes to get dirty. So can daddy feed you, please? He wants to eat by himself and I cannot let that happen because I'm not gonna change his clothes. Alright, so we are gonna leave in an hour, so we are reach there by 10 is when it opens, and it's a weekday, but it's a holiday here today, so let's see. We are excited. यहाँ पार्किंग में पार्क कर देते हैं और फिर ये छोटा सा सेक्शन है, ये पैदल चलने वाला है। यहाँ पे आपको जिराफ को खिलाने को मिल जाएगा। ये जिराफ अंदर वैसे घूम के आके यहाँ पे पार्क कर देने का और फिर यहाँ पे थोड़े से मंकीज है, जिराफ है।
Alright, we are here at the Aloha Safari Zoo. We're gonna get a ticket and then yeah, we're gonna get our tickets and then we're gonna start the safari. Alright, so he's sitting with me here and then we are ready for the safari. We're just gonna go take tickets. We already saw Peacock here and then Peacock. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah, Peacock. Let's open the window. Oh, there it is. So many emus over here and they don't let the deer come and eat their food.
Feed the zebras and donkeys.
Look, another emu is here.
They do bite.
He's like, oh,
dude, I got nothing here.
we already feed you.
Yeah, we already fed you.
Your
please.
family has already been fed.
We got nothing. Oh, baby,
Oh, there's a white deer coming and we want to feed the deer, but there's an emu here. Let's try it.
Okay, he went. Try to take the cup out so the deer may come.
देखो वो उसको भगा रहे थे, chasing.
Let's see. The cup is out.
See, there's a baby deer over there. Let me catch it. See.
Oh yeah, oh my god, that is such a cute baby deer. Uh-oh, emu is coming. He saw my food, so let me close the window. Papa, deer is coming next to you. You can feed him. And see deer. See deer.
Deer
Oh, there's deer eating here. Look. He's trying to take the whole cup. Don't take the whole cup. Emu is here too. Okay. All done. All done. He's trying to take the whole cup.
See, these emus make them run away.
Chasing them out.
Where did the big...
Got some deer here. Got some deer here. Baby deer.
Come
Yes, baby deer is coming there. You see there?
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, they're talking. Oh, look, I didn't baby deer over
Baby
there.
deer coming.
This mower. This mower.
Yeah.
So many deer.
So pretty, I did.
So
Look.
pretty.
Llama is here. Let's feed the llama. Look. Here. Llama is here.
Mama here.
Yeah. He's
तुम
trying to...
कहाँ से दे हम?
What's this, Daddy?
It's a fly.
Why? Mommy?
Yummy llama?
Mama.
Good job, llama. Enjoy.
Llama is liking. There's so many of them.
Look
are
at his
coming
teeth. Yummy. Is it yummy?
Mommy.
Ay, 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 ay.
Ay, 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 ay.
ये इनको deers देखो इस साइड आ जा रहे हैं।
Oh my god, llamas are so cute. Emo, come on, we're because of you.
Did you
Yeah.
picture me?
See, they are stopping your vehicle also. Okay, whatever you carry, give it to us, our family.
Okay,
only.
say bye bye, Emu. Bye bye.
With Mama.
Yeah, we're gonna feed llama now.
Mama.
There's still emus over here.
The emus here.
And I see a deer. Look, Aiden, such a beautiful deer. Say bye bye, emu.
इनको यहाँ पे नहीं खिलाओ, ये इसको तो तब दिमाग से
पापा खिला दीजिए लामा को.
इसके दांत
ये
निकले.
पक्का थूकेगा.
अरे नहीं थूकेगा, खोलिए और
दाल
वो.
गिरी जा रही है वैसे ही.
नहीं, उसका आप विंडो खोलिए, हाथ से नहीं.
हाथ से खाएंगे तो
हाथ से नहीं.
हाँ, ये
दे दीजिए अब तो.
देरी से
आप खा लेंगे डिब्बे में से.
और क्या,
हाँ.
सब डिब्बे में से खा लेते हैं.
ये केक खाओ ना यार.
बस 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 बंद करिए, बंद करिए.
Camel.
चलो चलो चलो.
Why? Mommy.
Yummy llama. Good.
I like they put the neck inside, right inside.
Yeah. No, deer is not here. So there's a camel standing over there.
अरेबिक में बोलना तो शायद आ जाए.
Yeah, मुझे खा. But I think they are not hungry.
Guy is trying to create the sound they make. She is speaking Arabic. We are
But I
out
don't
of
think so.
luck.
They are hungry.
Come on.
थारो खातिर बैठे हैं यहाँ.
Camel.
Camel? Two camels. You see some cows outside, and there's a. Is that a bull or a yak? Not a yak.
Yak. Yeah, they
Kind of a bull. Yeah.
Bull.
Yeah, bull. Take a small sip of water, baby. Buffalo's taking bath. Wow.
See so many
look at
turtles.
them. Oh, so many turtles. Do you see baby turtles?
Yeah.
ये फेंको जरा एक टर्टल के पास.
No, नहीं खाएंगे.
ऐसे फेंको. देखो क्या देखो बेचती तो हो नहीं खाएं जोर से फेंको.
Buffalo को देखो. अरे ले. Oh, they're coming towards it.
और नहीं गया. वहीं तक
Coming
जा
towards
रहा है.
it.
आ रहे हैं.
Let me throw it.
No, I can do it. I can do it.
अरे जोर से फेंको ना.
जोर से फेंका. That's the closest one. They're going to eat mine.
हाय रे.
Oh, he took it. And he's going in the water.
ससुराल का माल है ना.
Taking bath.
Yeah, look turtle.
Yeah,
And look at the
ये भी
buffalo
चले.
hidden in the water. Wow.
ये ढूंढ लेगा देखो पक्का है.
I'm sure he'll get
देख
it.
तो लिए है इसने कहाँ है.
Can they smell it?
जो आ रहे तो लामा इसके हाथ
ये
से
है
खिलवा
देखो.
दो.
Alright, llama is coming here. You can feed the llama. Come, touch the cup. Hold the cup.
इनका ड्राई हो गया बस उसके दूसरे कितनों के ऊपर छोड़ेंगे. हाय रे.
More.
You are fine.
Just about to. नाच उसने ऐसे किए ही थी.
He was about to spit on us. Oh my god.
और उसने कहा
Yeah, he was collecting the spit and he was like about to spit on us.
Mama took big burpee.
Yeah, llama took big burpee. No, I think tilted, जिससे कि उसके मुंह में जाए तो. Which it's a different kind of deer.
अच्छा है.
Brown.
His tongue is also black color,
गोरू को हो बोली कोई.
Is it yummy?
गोरू को हो बोली कोई.
Yummy.
Mommy. Mommy.
And look, the deers are taking bath over there in that pond.
Very hot.
Yeah.
हाय
Taking the
हाय.
hook up. Keep it outside. Take it outside, baby. Take it outside. Oh.
Mommy kiss one.
Oh my god.
Very dangerous.
Mommy kiss.
तुम्हारी तरफ तो खोल के मैंने कर दिया था कि जाओ.
And he was looking at us like this.
I was only fearing ऐसा नहीं कि he should not catch your hand.
Oh my god, that's funny.
The bunny.
Yeah, the bunny.
Did the deer come inside the car?
Oh, the deer was here inside the car. Look at their tail. They're taking tail of their support. The tail is so strong. It's like a
Kangaroo.
Yeah, kangaroo.
If they hit like this, na, ऐसे करके.
look and look.
Wow. I didn't?
Oh.
And then butter.
Yeah.
And look, this is a capybara.
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 See? It's sleeping.
Sleeping in the water.
It's so hot. They're doing
Why is the water this color though for them?
kookaburra.
Stretching.
Yeah.
Look, a sloth. Is there a sloth there? Do you see it? See? Do you see the sloth? Oh, hi sloth. छोटा है ये. Look, a python. Birds and mammals खाते हैं ये.
ऐसे बड़ा म्याऊं म्याऊं करके आएगा. इसको बोलो मैं बोलो तो बकरी समझ के आएगा. कोई बकरी उकरी है यहाँ?
Do you see tigers inside?
And do you see it? Wow, it's right over there. It's doing nine.
Do you want to come
It's
out
too
and
hot.
walk for us a little bit?
Oh, he's doing it again.
Yeah.
Oh, zoom in करना उसके उसमें से निकल जाएगा.
What's over?
This is हम लोग का Indian temple मंदिर.
Feed the giraffe. All right, are you ready to feed the giraffe, Aiden? You have to take one and give it, baby.
लो एक ही दो $3 ले गया एक दफा में.
Hi, giraffe.
I mean, it's
All done.
All
all
done.
done. Hi, beautiful.
Now trash.
Giraffe. Yeah. There's no more left.
Done. All done.
There's no more left.
And you want to touch the giraffe?
No.
Okay.
ले चले जाओ.
A cow.
Look, यहाँ पे ये वो है.
Cow.
Wow.
Cow.
Hyenas.
I didn't see. Do you see hyenas over there?
They don't have hyenas.
I didn't see. Wow.
कैसे दो?
All right. We have puri and sabji here. He's ready for food.
Yes.
Our chef is here.
You want? All right, we are heading back home now. We had such a good time, and then we ate such delicious food as you guys saw. We're gonna go home now, and our stomach is full, so it's perfect time. It's 12:30. We'll reach home, and
No,
then
12:30 we are leaving.
no,
1:30.
I said it's 12:30 right now, and then we reach home, and then we have the whole day to us. Did you have fun?
Thoroughly enjoyed. I thoroughly enjoyed. I do not know about that.
Did you have fun, Aiden?
And did you have fun?
Yeah. Okay, good job.
Animals and birds were so familiar
Yeah.
with our family.
And is a peacock coming? Wow. They're very friendly. They look for pistachio or nuts to eat. And it's okay, go stand with mommy. Look how beautiful the peacock is. See how beautiful it is. Yeah?
A big one.
What does a peacock sound like? Alright guys, so we are on our way back home, and Dad said that everybody gets a drink. So apparently Mom and Dad, they always said the America's best coffee is frappe from McDonald's. So please do comment and let us know who else like the frappe from McDonald's, and what's your best flavor, what's the flavor you like. So I always get the mocha, Dad always gets the caramel, and Tanya, for today, for a change, she's eating Oreo McFlurry. And Aiden is eating his French fries. We do not give him any frappes or mochas or anything, just because it has coffee, of course, and has chocolate. So we do not give him chocolate a lot as well. We give him maybe once a month or something. So anything that has cocoa or any such thing, we don't give him yet. So yeah, so we are on our way back home. We'll reach home in about an hour from now. So
everybody in the house slept for a little bit. Dad, Mayang, and I didn't. Even Marble. But I did. I had a couple of work that I needed to get it done, which I was doing. And then I also baked date cake. It's like a sugar-free date cake, and it's so freaking delicious. If you love date, I honestly love it. So I'm making that. It's not my recipe. I saw it on Instagram, and then I have been making that. So good. And I am also making tea for Dad, which is already ready. And then I have we made puri last night for today, so I have some oil in the pan on left, so I was just gonna fry some like sabudana papad and stuff for everybody. So that's what I'm doing right now. In the evening we are going to Nadish and Ashley's for dinner because they're making chicken and pumpkin, so we're gonna go there in the evening. And yeah, I'm literally just waiting for Mayang and Iron to come down because so that he wakes up and goes to bed timely in the night time. But it's okay, it's off tomorrow, so yes, that's item. Let me fix your hair. Did you have a good nap? Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Oh. Did you sleep with Daddy? Hmm?
This is Daddy.
You slept with Daddy? And Daddy was not letting you wake up because he was also passed out with you? Can you tell everybody that you had fun at the zoo today? Say, I had fun. Say, I had fun. Yeah?
I have fun.
Yeah. Which animal did you see today, Aiden?
Zebra.
Zebra. And?
Zebra.
And what else did you see?
Cow.
Cow, yes. And?
Goat.
Goat, yes, that's right. What else did you see?
Llama.
Llama, yes. What was the first animal you saw? Emu, remember?
Saw emu.
Yeah, and you saw deer?
I saw deer.
Yes, and you saw a snake?
I saw a snake.
And you saw a bear?
I saw a bear.
And you saw a tiger?
I saw a tiger.
Whoa, were you scared when you saw a tiger? Were you scared?
Okay. Tiger.
Can I get a kiss? Oh, thank you.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
The snacks are ready.
That's ready.
Yeah, you love it? Is it?
Love it?
Is it yummy? These are homemade, and my mom typically sends it. We are almost running out of it, so my cousin who's coming next month is gonna bring it more for us. One for me. Oh, thank you. Oh, aw, you tricked me.